it's me, Desi. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will share about one ESL company who personally contacted me to promote their startup company. But before that, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell to be updated on the newest posts. In this channel, you will be updated on the newest ESL companies that I personally choose to promote and recommend. ESL teaching tips, and soon free English lessons. So you will also have the chance to be part of our new ESL company to be launched soon. So don't skip and let's go proceed to the presentation. Hi again, guys. So here I present to you Fluent Daily, and they are looking for ESL teachers. Let me tell you some details about Fluent Daily. It is a startup company looking for pioneer teachers. So these pioneer teachers will be the face of their company that will be launching soon. They will cater to Chinese English learners, adults and kids, beginners to advanced students. If you guys would like to know in detail about what to expect when you teach beginners to advanced students, I have a video about that as well. They will use Zoom, Skype, and Zoomoo as their teaching platforms or tools. So these are the usual platforms or tools that ESL companies are using. Zoom, Skype, and Zoomoo. Zoomoo is a Chinese version of Zoom. It is also very easy to navigate and to use. It is user-friendly, actually, and it is also very useful and free. They will soon accept enrollees, so they will just polish everything, their website, and also the 15 pioneer teachers that are going to be the face of their company very soon. And once everything is polished, they will soon accept enrollees already. So what are the advantages of the chosen applicants? You will have the chance to be one of the pioneers. Pioneer teachers will have the chance to become team leaders or trainers in the future. So your video introduction will be used in ads. So it means that you will have more chance to be requested by the students. So let's go to qualifications. The qualifications, that's why I would love to present to you this company or this group, because as some of you guys are asking me about some ESL companies that are not requiring degree or that are not requiring certificates. So what I love about this startup company is they are just prioritizing experience. So degree is not required, but if you are interested and you are a degree holder, of course, that is also fine. Certificates are not required, like TESOL or TEFL. They are not required, but this is a must. You have to have at least 1 year of teaching experience online. That should be online because it means that you are already computer savvy, or you know how to navigate, you know how to multitask already. So basically you will know how to handle classes online. Because that is also very important. Being an ESL teacher, you have to be able to multitask, if you know what I mean. Also, you have to be lively and passionate teachers. For ESL teachers generally, if you are not passionate about what you do, it will be very hard to last in this field or in this industry, because that is the foundation. I mean, in every jobs as well, we need to be passionate about what we do. We need to love what we do. We need to give importance with what we do. And of course, for ESL teachers, you have to be lively and energetic, especially when you handle kids. Let's go to relevant information. So you can earn 200 to 250 PHP or Philippine Peso for a 50-minute lesson. So again, guys, they're going to be choosing 15 teachers. So those 15 chosen teachers will conduct a 15-minute paid demo lesson for students or parents. So you really have to make sure to submit an outstanding video introduction. And once chosen, this video will be posted on their websites for ads. You have to really make sure that that video is very presentable and also outstanding, and you have to make sure that you did your best making that video. And of course, if you are interested, please follow these steps. Prepare your CV or resume. They requested for that to be just only one page. You have to highlight your teaching experience, and because they need at least 1 year of teaching experience. So if more than 1 year of teaching experience, that will be your edge. And you have to prepare a maximum of 1 minute or 30 seconds video introduction. Not more than that. This is the maximum. Maybe 1 minute to 1 minute and 30 seconds will do. And then if you have these two requirements, you can send your CV and your video intro or the downloadable link of your video and CV to both email. I'll put these email addresses on the description down below. For the video, guys, please follow the format. So you have to mention your nickname, only your nickname, or maybe your teacher's name, degree or highest educational attainment, so no degree required, experience in ESL teaching, kids, adults, or how long you have been teaching, your hobbies, your teaching style. For teaching style, they say you can use props like these, musical instrument, or Manicam to make your video more fun. Or if you have some editing tools, you can use them as well to make your video more fun, interactive, and also energetic. Feel free to add more information to the video format for so long as it's not going to exceed 1 minute and 30 seconds. So again, guys, this is very important, your video introduction, because it's going to be posted on their website for ads. So if you are interested, guys, you can send your application to these two email addresses, fluentdaily@gmail.com and info@fluentdaily.com. I encourage you to apply, guys. Go ahead and fix your CV and also your video intro by following the format. And they have a very promising rate of 200 to 250 per 50 minutes of lesson. Good luck on your application, guys. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and click the notification bell